dispersion, we normally talk about three things: range, variance, and standard deviation. We also distinguish ungrouped data and grouped data. For the ungrouped data, range means the highest number minus by the lowest number. So in this case, that will be 3. And variance. Variance tells you how spread your data is. And we need to distinguish whether your data comes from population or from sample. If it comes from population, then variance is your sigma squared. If it comes from sample, then your variance is S squared. So when you have the questions, please pay attention to it, whether it is sample or population. Because if it is sample, you need to divide it by n minus 1 rather than by n. And standard deviation is quite simple. It always comes from the square root of your variance. For the group data, if you want to calculate the variance, the first step is you need to get your mean. As we have mentioned before, mean is 27.86. And then you need to find the midpoint of each class, and you need to use this midpoint to minus your mean. So 15 minus by 27.86, that will be minus 12.86. And then you do it one by one. If you have got this value need to be squared. So minus 12.86, if you square it, that would be 165.3796. And then you use this number to times your frequency of the class. Like in the first class, the frequency is 2. So you use 165.3796 to times 2. And then you get 330.7592. And you do it for each class one by one. Then you sum them up. After you sum it up, if this is a sample, you need to divide that by 6. So you get 90.4762. Here should be S squared, not S. Please pay attention to this mistake.